Good afternoon. Hello, everyone. Double six, double five. Yes, this one will be double six, double five. We have here a medium Sudoku in today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, Monday, June the 26th, 2023. One regular medium Sudoku. Oh, apologies. One regular medium Sudoku, but in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you the extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the Sudoku with 0 stars, Sudoku with 3 stars, but it's actually 2 stars. Sudoku with 4 stars, Tectonic with 4 stars, Tectonic with 1 star, and the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve in the evening. Not now. In the evening. Why? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, the first one, Sudoku Medium number 6655. Okay. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Should be at 2 stars. Yeah. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, Sudokus in the additional, it will be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright. So let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and 8. We have a 5 and 8 in the last column, so no 5 and 8 in these 2 boxes. The 5 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 8 goes there. So what are the other 2 missing numbers? In this big square, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here and a 9 goes there. Alright. Then. How about 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. Here's 7 in the middle row. No 7 in that box, so 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 3, 4, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 9, no, 8. 8. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the third row, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here, 5 in this column, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 7. 6. We have a pair, the 7 and a 9 in the first column, the 7 and a 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places left for the 7 and 9 goes in these 3 boxes. 7 and 9, 7 and 9, 7 and 9. And look, we have a 7 and 9 in the second row, so no 7 and 9 in this box. 7 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. And now 4 and a 7 in this row, 4 and a 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So now we have 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers are 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 5. We have a 3 and a 5 in this big square, so no 3 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. The 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then 1, 2, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6. How about 1, 2, 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm scanning. Need 8 there. How about need a 5 here. Yeah, 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be now. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. Here, 7 middle row, no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1. 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 2 goes there. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 4. Okay. Right. 8, 1, 8, 1, 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8. And look, we have 1 and 8 in the first row, so no 1 and 8 in this box. 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. Alright. Then 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in this row, middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column, so the column between, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 5. Oh, wait. Then. How about these 2 missing numbers in this row? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 8 goes there, 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, don't need to place left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there, 9 in the last row, 9 in that row, so the row between, no need to place left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be there, 9, 9, cannot continue with the 9 now. How about 8? 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 3, 8. 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8. Then look, we have 8 in this column, so no 8 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be there. So 2 and 3 are left. We have a 3 in this row. First row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 and 8, we have 8 now in this row, third row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, no 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then, 1 and the 6. Yeah, I'm thinking. 6 and the 8. No, 6 and the 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 to win, 2 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in this column, last column, 3 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see 3 in this row, third row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this column, last column for the 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 in this row, second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 and 9. We have a 7 now in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row, so the first row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for the 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there, finished in 13 minutes. Well. 2 stars? Well, no. Let me give this a 0 stars. Because I'm faster than 50 minutes. Well, for a 1 star, I need 50 minutes faster to be faster than the 50 minutes. For 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. And we solve it again, And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with the other puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.